Hello, my friends. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I hope you are feeling calm. I hope you are feeling peaceful. Today is January 3rd, 2026. The year has just begun. These first days of the year are very special. They're quiet days. They're slow days. But they are powerful days. A new year does not need noise. A new year does not need pressure. A new year needs clarity. Clarity means seeing your life clearly, seeing yourself clearly, seeing your path clearly. Many people start a new year with stress. They feel a heavy weight on their chest. They feel they must change everything quickly. They say, "This year I must be perfect. This year I must succeed fast. This year I must not fail." They make big plans, long lists, hard promises. These are called New Year resolutions. But after a few weeks, something changes. They feel tired. They feel confused. They feel disappointed. Because real life is different from plans. So today, we will not begin like that. Today, we will begin slowly. Today, we will begin honestly. No pressure, no rush. Let us start with reality.
Why are you learning English? Let me ask you a very simple question. Why are you learning English? Please don't search for a perfect answer. Please don't search for a smart answer. Just search for a true answer. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to earn more money. Maybe you want to travel to another country. Maybe you want to speak without fear. Maybe you want confidence. Maybe you want peace when you speak. All of these reasons are valid. All of these reasons are enough. But today, I want to tell you something very important. Motivation is not enough. Motivation feels good. Motivation feels strong. But motivation does not stay. Some days, motivation is high. Some days, motivation disappears. And that is normal. What really stays is commitment. Commitment is quiet. Commitment is calm. Commitment is a decision you keep even on bad days. This year, we are not chasing motivation. This year, we are building commitment. English is not a race. English is not a race. You are not running against anyone. You are not late. You are not slow. You are exactly where you need to be. English is a relationship, and relationships grow slowly. Think about a child. A child listens for many months before speaking. The child makes mistakes. The child repeats words again and again. No one says, "You failed. You are too slow." Learning English as an adult is the same. This year, you are not trying to be perfect. You are trying to be present. You are here. You are listening. You are learning. That is success. You did not fail last year. Let me say this clearly. You did not fail last year. You practiced. You tried. You showed up. Some days you studied more. Some days you studied less. That is life. Life is not clean. Life is not straight. Life is messy. And that is okay. This year, we stop blaming ourselves. Systems, not goals. This year, we focus on systems, not goals. A goal is a result. A system is a habit. A goal says, "I want to speak English fluently." A system says, "I listen to English every day." If your system is strong, results come naturally. Your system should be simple, easy to understand, easy to repeat. You will listen to English often, speak a little every day, repeat again and again, and continue. That is enough. Slow English is strong English. Many learners think fast English means fluent English. That is not true. Fast does not mean fluent. Fluent means smooth, clear, comfortable. Slow English is powerful English. This year, your English will grow like a tree. A tree grows quietly. You don't hear it growing, but one day it is tall. Some days you will feel nothing is changing. That feeling is normal. Progress in language is invisible at first, but your brain is changing. New connections are forming. Every time you listen, your brain adjusts, slowly, naturally. Make a small promise. Today, make one small promise, not a big promise, not a heavy promise, a small promise. Promise to show up. Promise to listen. Promise to be patient. You don't need talent. You don't need special skills. You need time and repetition. Discipline, the gentle way. Many people dislike the word discipline. They imagine strict rules, punishment, pressure. But our discipline is different. Our discipline is gentle. Discipline means doing what matters, even when you don't feel excited. You brush your teeth every day, not because you love it, but because it is part of who you are. This is identity. This year, you are building the identity of an English learner, not someone who studies sometimes, but someone who lives with English. Start small. Discipline does not start with big actions. It starts with tiny actions. If you say, "I will study English for 2 hours every day," your brain feels afraid. But if you say, "I will listen for 10 minutes," your brain feels safe. And here is the secret. Starting is the hardest part. Once you start, continuing becomes easier. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every day for 1 year is powerful. Your brain learns through exposure. Routine and habit stacking. Routine removes thinking. When you don't think, you don't need motivation. Connect English to something you already do. Tea into English. Walking into English. Before sleep into English. This is called habit stacking. English becomes light. English becomes easy. Bad days. Bad days will come. On bad days, do less, but do something. 1 sentence is enough. 1 minute is enough. Do not break the chain. If you miss 1 day, it's okay, but don't miss 2 days. Return immediately. Grit, staying power. Grit means staying when things feel slow. The middle stage is dangerous. It feels boring. It feels quiet. Many people quit here, but if you stay, everything changes. Grit is quiet. Grit is showing up on a normal day. So today, January 3rd, 2026, make one quiet promise. Not to be perfect, not to study hard. Just promise to continue. I am Harry, and I am here with you. This channel, 24/7 Talk English, will walk with you 1 day at a time, 1 sentence at a time. Welcome to your English year. Welcome to 2026. Welcome to 24/7 Talk English. Bye for now.